Florida lakefront on acreage. Knock down and build your dream house, or rebuild this vintage, rustic, 3/2.5 concrete block home with over 3,000 square feet of living space, plus several outbuildings. No HOA and 100 feet of shoreline on Little Lake Sawyer, connects to Big Lake Sawyer, with private gravel ramp and old-school boathouse and dock. Nightly sunsets are breathtaking. Neighborhood is adjacent to Lake Sawyer Sound and is directly across the road, 535, from Windermere Prep and less than a mile from the new Windermere High School. This incredible location can't be beat. Secluded yet near shopping, dining at Fowler Grove Winter Garden Village, local hospitals, and very convenient to FL Turnpike, the 429, and most major highways.